This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about muddlers, specifically these Bar Lux Cocktail Muddlers. And we've got two options to show you. We have a stainless steel muddler. It's 8 1/4 inches long by 3/4 of an inch in diameter. And it's made of a nice stainless steel, giving you a great tool to use in your bar. Or we have the black plastic muddler that also features a tenderizer head, and this one is 8 1/4 inches in length by 1 inch in diameter. These are essential tools if you're looking to make things like handcrafted premium cocktails, and they're made from really high quality materials as well. You have your choice between the stainless steel or the plastic. It makes easy work of crushing herbs and fruits and really helping to infuse your cocktails with delicious and refreshing flavors to really entice your guests. They're easy to grip and use, and they're also easy to wash when you're done. They're dishwasher safe as well, which is always a fantastic feature. The length of these muddlers mean that they're going to be great to handle and use, but also they're going to help keep you from making contact with the glass or ingredients when crafting your cocktails, meaning they're a great option from a sanitation standpoint as well. These are a perfect tool for any bartender or mixologist that's looking to make those really upscale handcrafted cocktails. So these are a fantastic and essential tool for bars, clubs, lounges, or any restaurant or food establishment that's serving mixed drinks.